Today we will be showing you how to replace a tape drive in a Quantum M1500, M2500, Sun L25, and L100 tape library. These libraries all share the same hardware configuration and menu structure. For this video, we will be showing the replacement procedure using a Quantum M1500 library. However, the procedure is the same for the other libraries as well. This replacement will not require downtime. The procedure is the same for both LTO and SDLT drives for all of the libraries. The first thing you will need to do is to identify the position of the drive that you need to replace. To do this, verify the serial number of the drive by going into the Quick View menu and going under Drive Info. This will display the serial numbers of the drives, and you can match the position of the drive with the serial number of your faulty drive. Make note of the serial number as well. If the drive still has a tape in it, you will need to try and unload it from the menu before doing the drive replacement. To do this, go into the main menu from the main screen of the library. Then go into Move. Select the source as the faulty drive using the up and down buttons, and then press Select. Then select the magazine slot as the destination, and press Select again. Then press Confirm. The command will execute and will let you know when the tape has been moved. If the command fails, you will need to manually extract the tape from the faulty drive once you have performed the replacement. For information on how to perform tape extraction, please see our videos about manual tape extraction for your particular type of tape drive. Once you have determined the position of the faulty drive, you can use the Quick View menu and go under Drive Power. Then you will see all of the installed drives displayed by their position. Highlight the position of the faulty drive and hit Enter, and then use the up and down arrows to select the Power Off option and hit Enter again. The drive will power off, and you can go to the rear of the library. As you are looking at the library from the rear, Drive 1 is on the right side and Drive 2 is on the left side for the M1500 and L25. For the M2500 and L100, the drives are labeled from right to left, top to bottom. The drive that you powered off should have a power light that is not lit, while the other drive should still be lit up. Once you have verified this, you can remove the data cable from the rear of the faulty drive. Now you can use a medium flathead screwdriver to undo the captive screw holding the drive in place. Once it is undone fully, you can pull the drive straight back and out of the library and set it to the side. You are now ready to install the replacement. Line up the replacement drive in the empty drive bay, ensuring that it is flat and level. Push the drive in slowly until you feel it begin to make contact with the backplane. Then, push firmly to seat the drive completely and tighten the screws to secure the drive in the library. Reinstall the data cable going to the drive and return to the front of the library. Now go into the Drive Power menu and power the drive back on. Then return to the rear of the library and ensure the drive power light is now on. Once confirmed, return to the front and go into the Drive Info menu. Verify that the drive position reflects a new serial number than the one shown for the faulty drive. If it does, your replacement is now complete. If it does not, you will need to try power cycling the drive using the menu from earlier to power the drive off and then back on. Then ensure that the serial number has updated. Now the administrator may need to rescan their hardware and/or reconfigure their backup software for the replacement drive. Any questions in regards to backup software should be directed to their software support or manufacturer. If you are having any issues with your drive replacement, please contact us directly. If your machine is subscribed to Rocket Plus, please open a ticket through your Rocket Plus customer portal. If not, we may still be able to help you. Please contact us at support@therocketplatform.com and we will respond as quickly as possible. Thanks for watching. This has been another video by the Top 10 USA Video Production Team. We look forward to sharing more content with you going forward, so please check out our YouTube channel and please subscribe so that you get notified whenever we release a new piece of content.